Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best spotting scope tripod is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked accessories for any serious hunter or wildlife observer, as it provides the stable platform necessary for clear, magnified views in a field. Without a reliable tripod, even the most powerful spotting scope can become frustratingly shaky, rendering it ineffective for precise target acquisition or detailed observation at long distances. This essential piece of gear ensures that your investment in high-quality optics translates into a superior viewing experience, allowing you to glass for extended periods without fatigue and make those critical identifications with confidence. Number 5. 20-60x60 HD Angled Spotting Scope. Experience unparalleled clarity with our HD optics. Featuring BAK4 prisms and fully multi-coated lenses, it offers a powerful 20-60x zoom magnification. This allows you to effortlessly switch your field of view and lock onto distant targets with high contrast, clear images. Quickly find your subject with a wide field of view at lower magnification. Then, zoom in to 60x to bring distant details into sharp focus. This variable zoom provides the versatility you need for hunting, birding, and surveillance. Weighing just 1.31 pounds, this spotting scope kit is designed for effortless travel. It comes with a carrying case and a 14 tabletop tripod for stable, shake-free viewing wherever you go. The included 14 adjustable tripod features wider legs and feet for a secure grip on any terrain. This enhanced design significantly reduces tipping risk, ensuring a rock-solid foundation for precise observation. With a standard 1/4-20 tripod thread, it's compatible with a wide range of mounts. Secure it on car roofs, railings, or use a desktop stand for versatile setups in multiple scenarios. This spotting scope is waterproof and fog-proof, performing reliably in light rain or dew. Its nitrogen-filled interior prevents lens fogging, and the non-slip surface ensures a secure grip, even in harsh conditions. An ideal gift for hunters, birdwatchers, and outdoor lovers. It balances practicality with high-quality optics, making it a useful and appreciated present for any outdoor adventure. What we like. This spotting scope offers exceptional HD optics with a wide field of view, perfect for easily locating and tracking targets. Its ultra-lightweight design makes it effortless to carry on any adventure. If you are looking for a portable yet powerful spotting scope for hunting or birding that won't weigh you down, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The tripod is very sturdy and stable, even in windy conditions. It extends to a good height, making it comfortable for users of different statures. The quick-release plate makes attaching and detaching the spotting scope a breeze. Number 4. Bushnell Advanced Tripod. Achieve maximum stability and versatility for capturing breathtaking images of wildlife, landscapes, and more. This heavy-duty tripod is your key to stunning photography. Built to last with durable aluminum and non-slip feet, it offers reliable support on any terrain. You can count on it for all your outdoor adventures. It's compatible with binoculars, spotting scopes, and cameras, making it an ideal accessory for any outdoor enthusiast or photographer. Easily set it up in any environment with adjustable legs and a center column. The smooth pan head with a quick-release plate makes attaching your equipment a breeze. Reach a maximum height of 63 inches and support up to 11 pounds. It offers the flexibility and capacity needed for any photography project. Its durable aluminum legs are individually adjustable to different heights and angles. This ensures you can find the perfect position for every shot. What we like. Built with durable aluminum and featuring adjustable legs, this tripod provides reliable support for your optics. It boasts a high weight capacity, ensuring stability for various devices. If you need a robust and versatile tripod that can handle multiple outdoor activities and equipment, this is the one for you. What people say. The tripod is very stable and sturdy, even in windy conditions. It is lightweight and easy to carry around, which is great for hiking. The adjustable height feature is very convenient for different users and shooting angles. Number 3. Hunting Tripod with Binoculars Adapter and V-Yoke. Introducing our versatile hunting tripod, designed for stability and ease of use. It offers a wide range of height adjustments to suit your needs. This tripod is incredibly lightweight and compact when folded, making it the perfect companion for any outdoor adventure. Easily pack it in your bag and take it anywhere. Enjoy seamless compatibility with a wide array of devices. It works with binoculars, spotting scopes, cameras, and even rifles, thanks to its adaptable head and included adapters. Constructed from premium aluminum, this tripod provides exceptionally stable support for your equipment. It can handle a maximum load of 11 pounds, ensuring your gear stays secure. You'll receive everything you need, including the main tripod, a mini tripod, a fluid head, adapters, and convenient accessories like quick-release plates and a storage bag. Whether you're using binoculars, a spotting scope, or a camera, this tripod offers 360-degree rotation for the perfect view. It's designed to adapt to all your optical and photographic equipment. What we like. This tripod offers an impressive height adjustment range and a highly portable design, making it ideal for travel. The inclusion of a V-yoke provides specialized support for shooting applications. If you are a hunter or shooter who needs a stable platform that can adapt to various heights and terrains, this tripod is a great option. What people say. The tripod is very sturdy and stable, even in windy conditions. It's lightweight and easy to carry around, which is great for hiking. The adjustable height and angle make it versatile for different shooting positions. Number 2. Binocular Tripod Spotting Scope Tripod Stand. Capture every detail with unparalleled stability. This versatile tripod is designed to support your optics and cameras with ease. Switch between devices in seconds thanks to the quick-release plates. Its robust aluminum construction ensures a steady platform, protecting your valuable equipment. Achieve the perfect shot from any perspective. The 360-degree pan head allows for smooth adjustments, enabling breathtaking panoramic and creative compositions. From tabletop height to an impressive 63 inches, it adjusts to you. This compact and lightweight stand is your ideal travel companion for any adventure. Everything you need is included, from the tripod and adapter to extra quick-release plates. It's ready to enhance your photography and viewing experience right out of the box. What we like. Enjoy smooth 360 degrees rotation and an impressive height range, all within a lightweight and portable package. This tripod is designed for ease of use and creative composition. If you're a photographer or birdwatcher who values flexibility and the ability to capture panoramic shots from various angles, this tripod will serve you well. What people say. The tripod is very stable and sturdy, even in windy conditions. It extends to a good height, making it comfortable for users of different statures. The quick-release plate allows for fast and secure attachment of the spotting scope. Number 1. Vortex High Country 2 Tripod Kit. Introducing the Vortex High Country 2 Tripod Kit, engineered for exceptional durability and lightweight performance. Its machined aluminum design ensures it can handle tough conditions while remaining easy to carry. Effortlessly make smooth and precise adjustments in the field with its advanced two-way pan head. Switching out your equipment is also a breeze thanks to the ArcaSwiss-compatible quick-release system. Achieve optimal stability and multiple height options with the 3-angle leg pivot locks. You can position each leg independently for a secure and customized setup on any terrain. Built with 3 leg sections, this tripod offers enhanced strength and stability for your gear. It boasts an impressive 22 pounds maximum load capacity and includes a detachable counterweight hook. For dependable and packable performance, choose this kit and take your high ground advantage with you. It's designed to be your reliable companion on any adventure. Rest assured with our unlimited, unconditional, lifetime VIP warranty. This fully transferable promise covers repair or replacement if your item becomes damaged or defective, ensuring long-term peace of mind. What we like. With a substantial 22 pounds max load capacity and an ArcaSwiss compatible mount, this tripod offers exceptional stability and quick-release convenience. It's backed by an unlimited, unconditional lifetime warranty for ultimate peace of mind. If you demand top-tier performance, durability, and long-term value for your spotting scope or camera setup, this tripod is a premium choice. What people say. The tripod is very sturdy and stable, even in windy conditions. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry around. The adjustable height and angle features allow for comfortable viewing from any position. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.